Guys, Bill's Pressure Washing here. We are on the scene of a Shell station. We're cleaning up gas and diesel and oil and everything else that's non-organic on the ground. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. We do giveaways over here. We're doing a $100 giveaway this Friday. Make sure you subscribe with the notification bell pressed. And if you have any comments or any suggestions on the video, drop them in the comments and I will get back with them. And if it's, you know, something people want to see, I'll make a video on it. And without further ado, let's get this gas station clean. Right here, we're using hot water, and we've already treated with sodium hydroxide and Dawn as a surfactant. You can't really see, it's not really foamy because we've let it boil for a little bit, but look at the job it's doing, guys. This is a hot water, 8 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI, Uder pump, Kubota engine with a Largo hot box. We're at about 175 degrees with the Whisper Wash Classic, and we are cutting through this thing like butter. Everything that will come up is coming up. Now these stones staying here like this for like ages, they're not going to come up. They're permanently down. But all the new stuff is coming up. You can see where this diesel still is. We're able to get all this up. I can't stress how important it is to have hot water if you're going to start taking on gas stations and restaurants and commercial work. The right chemicals, the right equipment, the right results. Looks like this is the section we haven't cleaned yet. You see, once we rinse, all that will come up. But you can see right here, this is the part we haven't done, and then we got to do that section over there. So we're going to finish this up, go over there, come back and rinse, and then it'll be looking a million times better. The last stage of this is going to be rinsing. You see how this dirty water is coming up nice. We hit our garbage cans too. We already put soap on them. We hit them down real good and hit underneath them. Like, see right there? Set up like that. All right, now we've got all this looking good. All this besides the bubble gum right here. The junk looking real good. It's gonna look a lot better when it dries. Night and day difference between there and there. See? Now we're having to work when it's open, you see? We're having to work with with people being here. You know, sometimes every pump has got somebody on it, so we gotta work around them. And we gotta hurry up and rinse fast because you can see right there they track it up fast. So it makes it a lot harder when you watch these gas stations when they're open. You know, so if you want to get into this, you want to make sure that that's something you are able to do, because a lot of our gas, most of them are open, you know. It's easier if they weren't. We can take some more time with them. But nonetheless, we get everything clean, but it's harder because they track the back up. They'll drive right there, track the right back up from here. You know, and it ain't their fault. You know, you got to get gas, but you know, when it's never closed, you gotta work around it, you know. But it's coming real clean. See right here, look at the big difference between there and right here. Look at that. Yeah, if you guys got any questions, comments, drop them in the comment section. I'll make sure to get back with you, okay? We are on TikTok and Instagram too, Bill's Pressure Washing. Make sure you follow us there, all right? We do giveaways. We're doing a $100 giveaway Friday. Make sure you're in on that. You ain't got to buy nothing. We ain't trying to sell you nothing. We're just trying to get back to the supporters. We have some awesome supporters over here, and we're very thankful for each and one of you guys. If you're new, make sure you hit the like button and share. If you find something worth sharing, we appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe and make sure your bell turned on so you get all the notifications. That's important, so you'll get the videos, all right? So when you hit the subscribe button, make sure you push all notifications. We drop about a video a day or every 2 days. We try to stay consistent with it. Since we just started, and we've been growing at an awesome rate. Thanks to our wonderful supporters like you guys. We're gonna wrap it up though. We're gonna get this done and get to the next one, all right? Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and make sure you enter that contest by going to the last post video and dropping your name and a like so I can put you on that entry, okay? Take care, guys. One more thing I wanted to mention before I ended this video was, so when you're doing these islands right here, they get the dirty, right? They get the absolute dirty. It's just horrible when we started, right? But you see how good we got it? Look here, let me show you this. This is black when we started. You know? Right here. See that? It's not gonna come up. It's in the concrete. I like to say it on every video because some people don't see all the videos. If this is your first time, you're not gonna get all these stains up. If we go like this, if they kept kitty litter on it, every time it's the old school, they immediately, or decent still put stuff down, but they don't, so it sits there and goes down and the concrete's real deep, you can't get it out. So we can only remove that top layer without doing harm to the integrity of the concrete. We don't want to do that by using another acid type soap to remove layers. We're not trying to do that. We're trying to skip what will come out. But we are working in the 24/7, so people are here all the time, so we try to work around them. But we got this one really good. Things like this, it's in there, and it ain't gonna come up. Unfortunately, I hate it because I'd love to get it up, but we're not gonna get it up. We're not gonna get it up. So, nonetheless, I wanted to show that with you. Hit it with a brush, scrub it, and get it like this, and you're able to get all that up. But if it's been down for a while, you're not going to be able to. Alright guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and wash on. Yo, we are done. We are done. We got it looking really good up in here. We got everything that's gonna come up. All right, guys, we are at the second location. It is a shell, and we're going to be cleaning the ground. We got our degreaser working. This particular gas station is 16 pumps. We have 2 diesels, 2 marine, and 2 E85 non-ethanol pumps. And I'm gonna show you right here the high density area. This is where all the diesel is. This is the high spillage area right here, okay? So around here and up to here, which is where most of the spill is. Most of your spills are gonna be at the diesel area. Let me show you something real quick. That's how bad gas got. Look, somebody got $7.18. Yeah, it's pretty bad when you can only get that much gas. It's crazy. Then you go to the one next to it. Look, right next to it. Look, 17 gallons, $100, 17. That's crazy, right? That's what it takes to fill up my truck. Like, each time, because I got a diesel and it's crazy, man. But nonetheless, hey, we're gonna get started, and we already got our chemical down. We got our hot water surface cleaner with us. We're running a Whisper Wash. We're not running our big guy. We're actually running the smaller one, like an 18-inch surface cleaner we have. And we're running this right here, look. We're running the hot water system. All right, we have chemicals doing a great job, as you can see. We're getting all this grease, diesel, fuel up. It's gonna look amazing once we're done with it. I am using sodium hydroxide, 2 cups per 5 gallons on this specific job, with about 3 tablespoons of surfactant, which is gone. Mix in a 5-gallon bucket. It's doing a great job. Of course, with the heat's on about approximately 175, not too hot, but nice and toasty. We're gonna let the chemicals do the job. The thing I like about this versus my big guy is I can go around holes like that. I can maneuver a little better. When I'm doing big lots, and I don't have a lot of cuts and a lot of like little small places to get into, I love using the big guy. I can just breeze through it. It's coming up nice. Good. So you'll go in there like that. We'll cut underneath it. Look right here. See how good this is working right here? Man, it's all about the right chemicals, and it's all about the heat. And everything's dialed in perfectly. Keep this place looking amazing. All right, we're about to rinse. We've got the place surface clean. We got the hose nice and uniform out so it doesn't bunch up. When we get done rinsing, it'll roll up nicely on the hose. This is one of the tricks I do to make sure it doesn't kink and it's just more uniform. And then when I roll it up, it just rolls up nice and smooth. And I always take a rag and I hold it as I'm rolling it up with one hand, so that kind of cleans the hose off as it's going. You put some Dawn and water on the rag, you just hold the hose so it's cleaning the dirt off as it's rolling up. And then if you got, like I can use this right here, I can unclamp it and rinse it off, rinse the dirt off. Always rinse the dirt off, all the hoses once they're rolled up. But without further ado, let's get to this. All right, we're on the last stage of this, and we're rinsing all the clean concrete. This is black, now it's nice and clean again. We got all this up. We got around the garbage cans. You can see, look, looks like a brand new concrete. That's what we're aiming for. We don't want nothing less than the best. Always aim for perfection. Figure out a way to do it and multiply it. Do it over and over and over and over. You know, make a system. And then you learn it like the back of your hand. You can see, look, this one's closed. A lot of the gas stations I do are open. But when it's closed like this, I'm able to take my time and get it nice and clean without it being tracked up. See? Everything looks really, really good. And we're done, guys. We got this place looking immaculate. We're gonna call it a night. It is going on 2 in the morning. I'll be home about 2. I'm not far from the house. So we've got this place looking immaculate. I got some appointments tomorrow. We're gonna do a gutter clean tomorrow. We're gonna put out about 100 signs. We're gonna do a couple, 2 to 3 other jobs we have in the books. And guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like and share. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram and all social media. And guys, till next time, wash on. One more thing, guys, make sure you follow my Instagram and TikTok and you're subscribed and have your notifications on so you don't miss a video. Appreciate it, and wash on.